Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing a review of this Meguiar's headlight coating. Basically, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on this stuff, and it's supposedly the best headlight coating you can get. So I've used it before on my car. So these used to be really hazy headlights, and I sanded them down using like the 3M headlight kit, and they came out looking decent. But as you can see, they're starting to fade again, especially on the tops. From the head on, they're not too bad, but on top, they're definitely starting to get pretty hazy. Same thing with this one. So I taped them up so that I can spray them, and I washed them with some soapy water. So we'll shake this up real good. I've been shaking it here for about 30 seconds, so make sure you shake it up good before you spray it. And then you just want to put a light coat on here. Don't want to put too heavy of a coat. It's already looking a lot clearer. Let's go to the other side. That should be enough. Then I also was going to put a little bit on this scuff I have right here to see if it helps kind of clear coat it out. As you can see, I put some touch-up paint on it, but it's still pretty obvious. So let's see if just a little bit of this. Same thing down here, that little scuff. And it does look like it's already kind of clear coating it a little bit. So hopefully that'll make it look good. But overall, guys, I'm already liking how they're looking. I'd highly recommend this stuff. I'll put it in a comment down below, or not in a comment, but I'll put a link down below where you can buy this on Amazon. If you got any questions, guys, put them in the comments. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.